Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials and signing in correctly. First, make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS update because system updates fix sync bugs. Once done, check Wi-Fi or cellular and confirm date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect time can block Icloud. Next, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and permissions. You do this because re-authenticating forces iCloud services to re-establish connections and often ungrays options. Now, tackle intermediate fixes that resolve lingering states. Begin by resetting network settings to clear corrupted caches and DNS entries. This can restore iCloud reachability. Then toggle iCloud drive off, restart the device, and turn it back on to force a fresh sync. This clears stalled UI states that leave items grayed out. Also inspect your iCloud storage quota and Apple ID verification or payment issues, since blocked accounts or full storage prevent features from being active and can gray them out. Finish with advanced remedies and a single troubleshooting tip. If the problem remains, sign in to Apple. Apple. Com to review device list, trusted numbers, and two-factor authentication. Removing stale devices can restore control. On Mac, create a new test user to see if the issue is system-wide. On iPhone, consider a settings reset as a last resort because it preserves data but clears preferences. If none of this works, collect system logs and contact Apple support. That one troubleshooting step gets you expert diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.